Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y11s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and here we have the watermark option, so let's tap on this. Here we can add the time watermark and also the mother watermark. As you can see, by using these buttons we can easily turn them on and off. We can add just one of this, or we can add both at the same time. So now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom to this button so we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo, and as you can see the watermarks are here at the bottom. From the left, let's get closer to it. We have the VIVO Y11s, so this is the device watermark, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the watermark and used here these buttons to turn it off. So now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.